What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about a very interesting story about your favorite artist. Okay. Firstly, I'm going to read this comment and then I'll show you what's in Kulmangobani and then what happened on social media after NZ and the Levi things on Komisayona. So stick around. By the way, you are watching the Depend Online podcast, the OP, the number one podcast in KZN, if not the world. Okay, iqala kanje. One of the comments laphana it's izwele to liyafa as an artist you kept quiet ngoba uhlezi kahle lapho usufuyiwe njengesimaku usithathaphi isibindi sokuziphawula manje ngathi bangakuxosha lapho one day nekhathi yamasimba. Guess who I'm talking about, guys? Okay, I'm gonna play this video that has sparked um i-debate social media because this guy came public kwasho into yabo nje I'm gonna show you later on ukuthi wathini, but this is what sparked the issues manje. Take a listen. Ngoba abantu futhi beke bathola inkululeko noma bathola imali ave.
Okay, guys, it's about time. It's been a long time, guys. Zulu Boy has been quiet. The single is out finally, Bafetu. The track title is called Freedom. It's available on all digital platforms, DSPs. I hope that you guys enjoy. Just download the song, close your eyes, and
So this is the latest video ayenzile and then yo ku-social media abantu into abavele bayenza mfethu it's embarrassing ngoba khonto ayenza esekhohliwe ukuthi wayenza yabo lo Facebook lo. Bathi-ke na he was busy in the US trolling abahambe movement. Now he wants Mzansi to download and stream his music. Bese Tomunye, go ask illegal immigrants to buy your single, not us South African. Then the other one says, this man looks younger than 50 years old. Now we were fine with him being quiet. He should have kept quiet. Yeah, boy, Leon. Utena, he's been quiet for a long time, but he has never been quiet because this is the video that I show. Egxeka uphakela umthakathi uJacinta Ngobese egxeka uNgizwe Mchunu, and now besedinga ukuthi iSouth Africa imxhase ngokuthi i-download music wakhe omusha othi freedom yabo. Maybe now lo freedom le is based to lezi zinto bezenzakala eSouth Africa about imarch and march. So yena ngoba manje kuthiwa usehlala phesheya usezenza ngcono, but nathi le video le ebengikhuluma ngayo ayenza on Instagram.
this one is for South Africans. Mr. Mthakathi. Yebo kushaya ezinye ingane ngezimvubu nabo ngabantu. Wemnumzane Mchunu. Yebo kubiza abanye abantu ikwerekwere nabo ngabantu. Lenkululeko yethu mina kangiboni. Ngiboni kazi lethu bafowethu.
Okay, basically it's icolo la Hugh Masekela leli alishintshile walenza la ile version ayishoyo lo Mr. Phakela umphakathi Ngizwe Jacinta yonke lento la he was really bashing i-march and march le eholwa oJacinta noNgobese noMchunu. Evuna ukuthi abantu bala abantu bala South Africa bavume ukuthi bahlale nabantu aba-undocumented, labantu abaletha ama-drugs ne-crime, labantu abathathela abantu base-South Africa imisebenzi, nalabantu laba abahlukumeza abantu base-South Africa ngazo zonke indlela. This was the first one. Now on that one, I pick up this comment about bra, this is serious. Country is being destroyed. Ne? Kusho Dr. Durban. Lo uCameron Diaz abantu uBeverly Diaz angazi ukuthi igama lakhe livele kanjani la. Uthi lento yenzayo ukunyela isihlahla, the very South Africa that made you is trying to purge itself of izinto ezimbi, and you can come here and sing nonsense ngoba kwamanje une-green card because of your wife. Awusimele kancane-ke bandla, you are probably pushing xenophobia agenda lapho, trying to fit in so badly. Now, South Africa, nami as ngibuye ngibe i-artist, I'm very proud of Imagine March. I'm very proud of what Jacinta, what they've done, and nezinto sezike sayibona zenzeka. Abantu manje sebeyasebenza, bashayela iy'thuthuthu, bangena ko-Checkers, bangena ko-Spar, bangena zonke iy'ndawo. And then you have your favorite artist against the whole country. Okay, let's meet up then with comment section. Please tell me, what do you think about this whole situation, Gazulu Boy? Should we buy or download music wakhe, or maybe simiyekele mfethu downloadelwe abantu bokufika and nase America? See you on my next video. You're watching Tepenoland Podcast in KZN, the #1 podcast, if not the world. DOP!